Hey guys, what a week we've had. I mean, incredible results over 5K, about 6K came in this week, and could not be more excited. I got some more proof video to share with you. Mega Cash Machine, the new Creed postcard, and we want to talk about it all on the other side. Hey folks, Tim Thomas here, guys. I want to talk about the Mega Cash Machines, the Mega Cash and Money Order Machine flyer program in this video. We're going to talk about some results that we're having, and somebody asked me about some of the results that we're having and what we're doing about this system. This thing is incredible, guys. It continues to produce results. Hadn't talked about it in several weeks. As you know, I'm in multiple programs. But before you go any further, guys, my number one money maker is the leverage profit system, which, as you can see it right here, this is the number one. I continue to bring in $1,500, $3,500 sales each week in that thing. Guys, here's proof. I ran a copy of the $3,500 check. I'm not going to show it close. Check out this video right here. It shows that $3,500 check that just came in. And also the Creed postcard. Let me show you the Creed postcard, guys. That thing is powerful. If you want to look at the Creed postcard program, check out these videos right here. Now, this came in from admin today. I want to show you what came in, guys. This is incredible. This is how it looks. It comes in an envelope like this, the Creed program, postcard program. When you get a sign up, and guys, your name goes into number 2 position. Here is, guys, here is the congratulations letter, Timothy Thomas. I'll read it to you. It says, congratulations, Timothy Thomas. You have earned cash and 250. Friends, 250 free postcards. Guys, I've already got my rolls of stamps ready. So when those 250 postcards come in, we're going to get them straight in the mail immediately and start mailing over and over and over again. Personally sponsored member, I want to welcome Ricky Reed. Ricky Reed from Kathy, Texas, to the program. Ricky, hit the thumbs up button. Guys, y'all know Ricky's a big marketer down there. I am in number 2 on Ricky's flyer. And here, guys, let me cover up personal information. Here is the $100 money order made at the Timothy Thomas. Timothy Thomas that Ricky Reed sent in. $100, guys. This is incredible. I mean, guys, this is a daily basis what is happening to our mailboxes. And we're excited with the Creed postcard program. Check out those 2 videos when you get a chance, and the links below the video. Hey guys, are you subscribed to the channel? Hit the subscribe button. If you like making money from home, guys, we want you to make money. We want you to achieve financial freedom, and we want you to leverage your time. Folks, leverage wealth is where it's at. We're going straight in there. We're going to show people, if you want to lock arms with me, guys, let me help you. Show you how to make, get up to $100 a day, $1,000 per week. Income disclaimer, guys. Nothing in life happens until you take action, and lots of it. But I can show you some ways. Get me on the phone, text me, and we'll go forward and get you winning. Don't you be out there struggling for money. Stop it right now. If you're out there working a job 40, 50 hours a week, guys, and still not making ends meet, you need to focus, get a hold of me. Let's put you on a plan to get you to win. Guys, it's just that simple. I mean, these things work for me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Folks, I said about $6,000 came in this 1 week in these programs. This is incredible. Just today, guys, another affiliate program. And I'm going to keep it very, very private. Where is that thing at? In one of my affiliate programs, I had a check for 300. Let me see what that check was for. This all came in today. This is crazy. This check came in $302. Let me cover up personal information. This is one of my affiliate programs. 302, $302 made out of Timothy Thomas. Folks, this is incredible stuff. Great things are happening. And I could not be more excited about what we've got going on. Now, let's get to the meat and potatoes of the video. The Mega Cash and Money Order Machine, guys, I've got several videos on it. If you want to know, just key Timothy Thomas, Mega Cash and Money Order Machines. All my videos will come up. You'll see how this thing works. If you want to see proof, guys, this is my proof video of what we've done. The way it works, you can join for as low as 200 and go up to 1,000. Now, if you join the 1,000 or the 500 or 200, you get everything less, all the lesser levels, absolutely free. That's incredible value. For a limited time, through, I believe, October the 20th, you can join for 500 and get upgraded to the 1,000. Join for 500, get upgraded to the 1,000. Folks, that is absolutely powerful. That is absolutely powerful. Join for 500 and get upgraded to 1,000. Any other bonuses, you have to get a hold of me. Here are the proof, guys. This is the proof video. There's a proof, guys. A proof payment, 300 right there. Several hundreds there. $500 payment, $100 payment there. There's another 100, another 500. Here's another 500, another 100. It's just all over the place, guys. And if you want to see more proof, check out this video of mine. I may have a chance to look at it in just a few minutes, but I want to show you the proof that came in, guys. Let me show you. This is what the flyer looks like. You click on whatever flyer you want, the 200, the 5, the 10, the 20, the 50, 100, and the 500, and the $1,000 levels. Here are the Pro Stamp Club levels. Here's Timothy Thomas. All right, guys, I'm going to show you the flyer in just a minute, but let me show you what came in these envelopes. I want to welcome our new member. Let me get off that. I want to welcome our new member, David Young, to the program. David joined. And let's see what David sent in. I disappeared. Hang on tight. Okay, David joined. Let's see what David sent in. Welcome, David, to the program. He joined the Cash and Money Machines, guys. With this thing, you get stamps and flyers. I mean stamps and money orders or cash. Guys, he joined the $100 level in the Cash and Money Order Machine flyers, the $100 level. And what David got, and he sent in the $100 money order, and he also sent in 40 stamps. Look at that, folks. $100 money order and 40 stamps. Guys, this is incredible. The $100 level. Let's pull the flyer up. You can click it off, guys. Print out whatever level you want. If you don't have a computer, guys, I will mail you the flyer. Don't worry. Or if you don't have a printer, I can mail you the flyer. Guys, this is how it works. Guys, $100 and 2 books of stamps. That is absolutely powerful. I'm telling you what, it adds up fast. And guys, look at this is what you get as far as the product. Wait a minute, I'm not finished with the proof. Stay tuned on the video, guys. Don't click off. Give me about 7 more minutes. I keep these videos around 15 minutes. 15 minutes, guys, keeps people engaged. It offers value, and you don't overstretch their attention span. Important how to get started. Your fair share of $100 payment. Send the appropriate payment to each member listed below. Cash or money orders only. Upon confirmation of your payment, you're going to receive a welcome kit. Talking about product. This is your product. Your master copy of this flyer with your name in position number 1. You're also going to receive 120 names on peel and stick labels. Plus, we're going to send you information on the best mailing list. Folks, this is incredible to me. Very excited about it. Very, very excited. Now, flashback, guys. Don't forget, my number 1 opportunity is leverage profit system. Don't lose sight on that thing if you want to join that. But we're talking about Mega Cash Machine. If you want to talk about listen about that the leverage profit system, go over and look at that video, guys. No problem. All right. I want to keep it affordable for everybody. We want to have something that everybody can work with. You ever had a Walmart or a Costco, guys, you offer one product? See how long they're going to stay in business. Period. Guys, I'm going to lay this aside. Very, very powerful stuff. Get started today, guys. The struggle for financial freedom is over. I mean, put that stuff to bed, folks. Get it out your way. Go where you want to go. Do what you want to do. Create the lifestyle that you want for you and your family. And you do it over and over and over again. Folks, create hundreds of dollars a day. Thousands per week. I mean, it is mind-blowing. All I do is sit in the chair, talk about these programs, and people join. And I mail postcards. I mail postcards and flyers. And I do it over and over again. I do some email marketing. And guys, that's it. I keep it simple. They're set and forget systems. Oh, y'all remember this postcard right here? Guys, I just ordered 5,000. I ordered 5,000 of that postcard right there. 5,000. The company will close all the sales for me, and I get paid. Folks, this is an incredible program. Shameless plug for that program. I don't want to be all over the place, guys. Mega Cash and Money Machines, guys. We got that thing on sale for right now for the next 20 days. Okay, David also joined another level. Let's look at this, guys. I had a member join the Mega Cash Machine here at the, wow, the $20 level. The $20 level. All right, guys, I got this is a $20 money order and a book of stamps. Folks, documentation beats conversation any day of the week. That's what Mike would say. Documentation beats conversation any day of the week. Folks, we want you to win. I want you to put yourself in a position to where you can live life on your terms. Go to Walmart, buy what you want to buy. Go to the mall, buy what you want to buy. Go on Amazon, order what you want because you got the money to do it. And that's what we want to do. Plug you into multiple systems and you go. If you're watching this video, you owe it to yourself. Join one of these programs, join 2 or 3 of them, and start marketing. Start go, 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 go. And there is no end in sight for as long as the world stands. Folks will look for an opportunity to make money from the comfort of their home. Period. Folks, there's the $2 level, 5. We got something for everybody that wants to join. Even, like I said, the $1,000 level. Folks, join the $1,000 level. Absolutely, yes. I got documented proof on several videos where I've received many $1,000 payments with this program. Send $1,000, 4 books of stamp to person number 1. You send $250 and 2 books of stamps to person number 2, folks, and you're off to the races. You even can get a website that looks just like this. It has a lead capture page, and it has email follow-up. Lead capture page, and it has email follow-up. The flyer explains everything so you never have to. Folks, that is powerful. Join the $200 level and you can get everything, all the lower levels. Join the 500, get all the lower levels. Join the 1,000, get all the lower levels. Right now, guys, you can join the 1,000 for half price, and the 500 we can let you join it for half price for a limited time. Contact me, guys, and let's get you off to the races, get you off the rolling, and get you going. Guys, the Pro Stamp Club, you might want to join it. People are joining these stamp programs left and right, guys. You get postcard stamps mailing that flyer, and with this thing, you get 100 stamps in position 1, and when you move to number 2, you start getting those override positions in number 2. Folks, this is powerful. I'm telling you what, we're going to leave a legacy of wealth for our family. Wilson's list, guys. Here's one of the highest recommending lists that I got. I recommend about 6 lists now at this time. Somebody said, Timothy, all you recommend is Wilson. Absolutely not. I'm recommending about 5 different mailing lists. Wilson's, Wolf Enterprises, Data Marketing, and then many, many more, guys. Northco. There are several mailing lists that we're using and that we're getting results. You can't tell me, guys, you're using about 3-4 different lists and you're being consistent and you're not getting the results. It will not happen. But if you do it over and over and over again, the sky can be the limit. Folks, when you get a chance, click the link below the video. Order you some names right now. Watch this video. Get inspired. And get started. Print off the level of participation. Print it all. And as we are getting ready to end 2021, we want to run into 2022 and like we've never ran before. I want to create winners. I want to create people that want thousands per week from the comfort of home. Mailing flyers and postcards. People say, well, I remember the good old days of direct mail. I remember the good old days of mail order. Folks, it has never been this good. Hit the like button, folks. I really appreciate it. Check out the channel, guys. This is where we got the stuff at. We want you to win. We want you to win big. All right, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.